Expected tomorrow in the Tex McIver murder trial after the jury took a field trip today. They got to examine the SUV the Atlanta attorney and his wife Diane were in near Piedmont Park when Diane was shot and killed. Prosecutors say the Tex intentionally killed her. The defense claims the gun went off by accident. The Late Feed's Vinny Politan is here to explain why this was a key part of the trial.
Oh, it was a huge moment, Jeff. You're talking about for more than a month, the jury's been hearing about Tex McIver's SUV, the scene of the shooting. Well, today they got to see it firsthand and not just take a look at it, but to get inside of the SUV and sit in the same seat that Tex McIver was sitting in when he shot and killed his wife. So now the big question that's looming after this jury view, which is what they call it, is who's this going to help more? Prosecutors or the defense? And that's a question that may not be answered until later this week when the jury delivers their verdict. In the meantime, like you said, Jeff, closing arguments are set for tomorrow morning. Prosecutors arguing that Tex McIver shot his wife intentionally. Some of the themes that we can expect to hear tomorrow morning, first, guns don't just go off. Sleep disorders don't make guns fire. Bumps in the road don't do it. Someone has to pull that trigger. Another big theme for prosecutors will be motive. Why did he do it? Money. After Diane was dead, Tex McIver was $4 million richer. Now, for the defense, expect to hear that Tex McIver loved his wife Diane and had no reason to kill her. He had money, she had money, and together they were living a very luxurious life. Now, Tex said it was an accident, as did his wife Diane at the hospital. The only people saying murder here are prosecutors. So those are some of the things you expect the defense to say. And the jury, don't forget, will also have the option of involuntary manslaughter as a lesser included charge, which the jury can consider if they find McIver not guilty of murder.
Vinny, when do you think this will all be wrapped up?
Well, you got closing arguments tomorrow. I mean, you never know how long a jury is going to take, but I would guess any further than Friday would be a long deliberation for this trial.
All right, Vinny will have a lot more coming up on the Late Feed tonight at 11 o'clock as he will be immersed with his legal team. And that's every weeknight of the trial at 7:30. They'll answer your questions on 11 Alive's Facebook page. You can also get caught up again on all the big developments in the 11alive.com page /Tex McIver trial.